Hello guys, good day. How are you? I hope you good, our fans. Today we are introducing you again into our new site. So this is the site. We are in site visit. We are visiting the site. Want to show you that another new project is emerging here in this site. In the next few days, we are in discussion with the client. We are making negotiations on the costs, and also advising the clients on what he requires to do. So in this working site, as you are visiting, we have come today to take the shape of the plot and also the size of the plot, so that we exactly know what we are going to do, which design of the building we are going to insert here, the orientation of the building, and also we have come to examine the situation, the stability of the soil, that we also consider that, so that we get to know about the weight that this soil is going to carry, the weight of the building. And you can see we have find that we have a plot of 100 by 100. As you can see, it's a plot of 100 by 100, and I have advised my client, because he wanted either to build a 3 or a 4 bedroom. He was asking me to advise him if whether the plot is enough, quite sufficient for the to capacitate that space, to capacitate the 4 bedroom or 3 bedroom. So we have find that our plot is quite large. It's 100 by 100, and whereby I can advise my client to make a 4 bedroom bungalow. So once you are done today with the site visit, we are also going to now to, after the discussion, I am going now to get the design, because we also design the houses. We do architectural designs, structural designs, and we do the bills of quantities on the specific building, and also give the specifications. And we have a very nice supervision team. As you can see, this is the man on the ground. When the engineers are not around, is the man in the ground, is the man in control of everything when we are not available. And that's why today he is here. We are showing him that we are introducing another new site. I think I'm very sure you've been seeing him in our previous previous videos of the other project, and surely I can assure you that he's doing very brilliant work. He is going hand in hand with the specification of the engineer, and we make production. So this is the site. We will show you, we will give you the full details when we are beginning the site, and we will also we will show you the designs. The producer will give you the designs, or in the next video we'll give you the type of the design we have decided for this 100 by 100 size of the plot. And this is where I've decided to put the orientation of our building, because this is the entrance of the plot. This is where we are going to put the gate, and as you can see, some works going on. There's some work going on. We are trying, because there is massive water runoff when it rains. When it rains, there is massive water runoff that is coming here. So we are trying to reinforce. We are trying to guard the water not to come into the plot, and we are also trying to make sure that our soil is not going to become very weak. On the other hand, this building is becoming it seems our client is prepared, and reportedly you can see he has begun to bring materials to the site. Here he has placed sand. You can see he has placed the hardcore, which means he's ready. We also have maram here. This maram, we are using it, we are going to use it to levelize our ground, in order to prevent a massive water runoff. Again, because this plot is opposite to the water, we have a dead river here. We have a dead river here. You know, this is northeastern region. This is Garissa County, and when it rains, there is a massive water runoff. And because now we are trying to prevent and also to guard and reinforce our plot to make sure that it's not affected by the water runoff, that is going through this dead river. So I have decided to advise my client that we are not going to do the block work, because if we do the block work, the force of the water is gonna affect the stability of the construction of this block work, and therefore I have decided to do what we call the retaining wall. So this is the retaining wall. I have decided to do the retaining wall, and I have made a very deep foundation. I have gone into about I have gone from the ground level. I've gone 1200 millimeters deep. So our foundation is 1.2 meters deep, which means that is where our foundation is beginning. And remember, we have put the footing. We have a strip footing inside it, and we have decided to do the retaining wall. So this is the reinforcement that we have done. This is the reinforcement for our retaining wall. So the work that's going here, we are casting the bases, we are casting the strip. After casting the strip, and also there is formwork going on here. We are having a formwork going on here, and we are having formwork going on here, and we are using metal plates to make sure that our concrete is well poured, and when it's set out, there is an alignment. So this is a retaining wall. Instead of doing a block work that will because of the massive velocity of water, I have advised my client to do something that he will never repeat in his life. So this is a lifetime practice that we have made here, and I'm also having an advice to our clients, to our fans, that when you see that when you are having disturbance, when you are having a problem in controlling water, because water has got a very big force. So when you are having a problem in controlling water, so this is the only solution that we do. It's either we do the retaining wall by the use of steel and concrete, RCC, or if not that, you either use massive gabion work. So you use gabion boxes. So for this case here, I have decided to do it, and I have begun my foundation 1.2 meters down below the ground, and also above the ground I have put 1.2 meters. So we are having a 2.2 meter high. That is from the foundation level, 2.2 meter high retaining wall. So maybe in future, maybe if we want now to build the the block work, and I will advise him to do the precast block work. This is what we are going to do. So this is the shape and the size of this plot. The plot is very massive. It's very sufficient for the work that we are going to preside, the work that you are going to do in the next time. So this is what you are doing, and you can see that we are moving far ahead. So our fans, we are kindly advising you that if you have any comment, if you have any criticism, you want to criticize on this work, please criticize, so that we also know, because we are having engineers, we are having some professionals watching our videos. We are having them, so we make sure that you also give us some good tips. If you are doing the right thing or you are doing the wrong thing, we also need to learn. So good people, don't forget to share there. Don't forget to subscribe into our channel, and also comment. If you want to get this kind of work, if you want to reach us, you can reach us through 0768730282. More details will be given on the video when it's already produced. So for today, this is what we are telling you. We are coming back with good news next time.